Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can contact Monday.com's live support. So if you have a problem that you like the support to help you in, all you have to do is right next to your profile icon there is a question mark that says help. You have to click on it, and on the bottom right there's a button called contact us. You have to press it and you get a bunch of options like email, request a call, or live chat. But in this tutorial we're gonna cover live chat, so you just have to press start chat and it will open the live chat for you. So you can ask your questions and the live chat will answer you instantly. For example, if I ask a question like how so guys, I asked a question like how can I delete a board, and the bot will instantly reply within a minute with a tutorial or a step-by-step guide. As you can see, it has provided me the steps that I can follow to delete the board. So this is very helpful. If you have an issue, you can contact their live support, and that's it. And if you have your issue solved, you can press this close button and you can end the chat and you can close it. So guys, I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.